Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive updates whenever I upload a YouTube video. Welcome back to Cheez's channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today's video is going to be American versus Indian makeup. This was a fun actually video which one of my subscribers suggested. Thanks so much, girl, for suggesting. It was a cool idea and definitely I wanted to try it. It was really fun doing this video, trying two different sides of makeup. It was super fun for me. From this makeup, I'm not trying to tell this is what Americans wear always, this is what Indians wear always. So it is just like mostly this is kind of the thing in makeup in both those places. So yeah guys, hope you find this video fun. Definitely check out how I did this look, and also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Now let's hop into the video. So the left side is going to be American makeup and right side is going to be Indian. So I already primed my face using the Instablur primer, just the whole face I've done that with. So for the Indian side, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Serum Foundation. And for the American side, I'm going to use MAC Match Master Foundation in Diamond Shade number 6. Usually Americans apply foundations that will show them a bit tan, and Indians like to apply foundation that shows them a little bit bright. So that's why I use this. This shows my exact skin tone, number 6, and this is a little bit bright. One of my subscribers actually requested this video and I felt in love with the concept the first time I got it itself. I was like, I'm doing this. So let's see. So finish applying this side. Next it's the Lakme one. Foundation is done, and as I've told you earlier the difference. Now I'm going to conceal. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal to basically conceal both sides. I'm going to conceal here under the eyes also, but here it's not like that because it's highlight and contouring. Here there's no highlight and contouring. So I'm just going to use my fingers to blend everything. Okay, so as I told, there's no highlight and contouring, so I'll be doing highlight and contouring this side. For that, again, I'm going to use two of my LA Girl Pro Concealers. For highlight, I'm going to use a medium beige, and for contouring, I'm going to use Cappuccino. So the inner corners. So I can't separate my nose, so I'm just gonna highlight my nose. Next, contour. Use this brush. I'm just going to try blending it with the brush and then smoothing it out with the Now I'm just gonna set everything using powder. To set the Indian side, I'm going to use the Lakme Compact. I'm going to set it with one color. Now to set this side, I'm going to use, for my next palette, I'm going to use this white one and this contour one to actually set the highlight and contouring. So yeah guys, I finished my face. Now it's on to my eyebrows. So I have a separate eyebrow video of how I do my eyebrows. I'll put it in the I button here. The only difference that I'm going to do is I'm going to raise the tip here a little bit. Sorry for that. Raise the tip a little bit here, but here it's just going to be normal. That's it. That's the only difference, but the way I do it is just going to be the same as in the video. You guys can check that later. Now I'll finish the two eyebrows and you guys can see the difference. So you can see the difference in the eyebrows. This eyebrow starts thick and finishes off thick and doesn't have much of an arch to it. So but this one blends really well in the start and then it becomes thick and you can see the arch. So this is kind of the difference that I find. So done with the eyebrows. Now obviously I have to finish my face makeup, which I've not yet done. So this side, it's usually, as I told you, not much of highlighting going on. So, but we all love a nice shiny sheen shimmery blush. So for that, I'm going to do is apply this beautiful pink one from Intuit. It's a really nice shimmery blush, and it is from their Sheer Shimmer Blush Plum Pearl. Soft pink, some sheen on my face. Oh, it's a gorgeous pink. So shimmery and beautiful. So that's gorgeous, that's so pretty. Now for this side, obviously, highlighting. Now for highlight, I'm going to use this MAC eyeshadow, which is called Sweetheart, and it's such a beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow. Wow, look at that. That is so good. Wow. So yeah, that's basically my face makeup is pretty much done, and you can see hell a lot of difference, right? That's a lot of difference. So anyways, now it's on to eyes. So now for eyes, I'm just going to use this concealer to apply on my eyelids. You can even use eyeshadow base. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to use is this ColourPop eyeshadow in Beanie. This is a beautiful warm champagne shade. So that is so pretty, isn't it? I'm going to use this Lakme eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this gorgeous pink shade on my crease. I'm going to use this MAC Maroon eyeshadow. I'm going to apply this on the outer corners of my eyes. So I'm going to slowly add the eyeshadow and I'm going to deepen the crease because it can go under the eyes, it can spill everywhere. I'm slowly applying it, pressing the eyeshadow and applying it. And I'm also applying it in the outer corners. Next I'm going to highlight my brow bone using this BB Bucks palette. I'm going to use this shade which is called Happy. So I'm going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes. Next I'm going to eyeline my eyes. So I'm going to use a kajal or a pencil, something like that to do it. So usually it's not winged liner, it's we eyeline like around the eyes. That's how we like to do it, and thick round eyelining. That's what I'm going to do. Finally, for the eyes, it's mascara time. Loads of mascara, no artificial lashes. So the eye makeup is pretty much complete. Basically everything is complete this side except the lips. Now I'll be doing this side of the eye makeup. I'm going to use this MAC Sweet Heat Extra Dimension eyeshadow. So gorgeous. Mainly on my inner lid. And then on the lower lid also, and on the inner corners. Next I'm going to use this ColourPop eyeshadow in choice, which is a beautiful what do you call this, a brick red or maroonish red, something like that. I broke it, and I'm going to apply this on my lid. I'm going to apply even on the outer lid and on the crease. Next I'm going to use a blending brush and just blend this really well to get a softer edge. Next I'm going to take MAC Embark eyeshadow and I'm going to deepen the crease. So it's just like a neutral eye makeup that I'm doing. And also the lower lid. So finally I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use this highlight from this Kate Metal Glamorized palette. I'm going to use this to highlight. Next, for this side, I'm going to wing line my eyes using this Lakme Absolute Shine Light. So after wing lining my eyes, I'm going to use the same mascara, loads and loads of mascara. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply 2 coats of this mascara. I'm going to apply this mink lashes just to this eye and I'll be back. So I finished with the American side of eye makeup also. Now it is on to lips. For this side I'm going to go with a very soft pink shade. For this side I'm going to go with a maroon shade, and we also like deep pinks. American side and this is the Indian side. This was such a fun video to do for me. I am so excited to look at me like this. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys found this video fun. Definitely like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.